Hey, Mr. Dave here. Hey, how you doing, man? This is a brand new course I put together. I'm almost done with it, so this is the introduction. Watch this first video, you might say, and we are in the pre-launch phase of this course. I've been working on it for months, both shooting the video, editing it, which has taken a long time, and writing PDF files that you can download that will track along with the video sessions that you can watch. So this is again the pre-launch intro. I'm going to make a new one when we have the course fully launched. But I'm really excited because this is like the cheapest, easiest way to make fake rocks on landscape boulders, and they can be pretty good size. You can get 4 or 5 feet wide, 6 feet wide. You just have to thicken it up the bigger they are. They just have to hold themselves on the ground, and I go into all those steps: how to mix up the dirt, how to stack the dirt, how to compact it, carve it, make it ready. In the course you have read this first document, and so print that out or go ahead and read it and study it online or on your computer, what have you, if I can talk. And that goes through the course outline. It goes through how this course is structured, what to do first, and I'll flip this thing over here real quick and just give you a peek at the second page. This is the second page of the course outline, and it outlines the contents, and it sort of gets you started on what to do, how to work your way through the course. All the content on module 1, which is the dirt rocks that again are the cheapest of all of the options we have available for us. The module 1 covers dirt rocks. So you compact up dirt, you just put concrete over it, and I show you exactly how to do that. Super cheap, super fast. The weekend you can make a bunch of boulders.